I'm home. Whoa! Whoa! What is going on with this floor?
No, the other bag!
What other bag? Inside this? In this one? What?
I need help!
How'd you get stuck in there? Who is this? Alright, let me get you out. Let me get you out. Oh man. Somebody gets stuck in the box. Don't worry, man. I'm coming. Don't worry. I'm gonna get you out. I hear you. I'm gonna rescue you.
It is I, Mr. Devil Dog. I've been trapped in here since I was in the factory. And now, you're gonna do everything I say.
I will do everything you say.
I'm gonna make you do 5 things. And the only way you can get out of it is if someone uses a magic word, cream. Whenever they say that word, it'll knock you out of your hypnosis.
I will follow all of your instructions.
Okay, Uncle Crusher. So the first thing I want you to do is walk over to the table where Anthony was making his lunch. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to get the peanut butter and rub it all in your face.
Is that good?
All right, that's enough. Now what I want you to do next is walk to your cabinet and load your face with Fruit Loops. Kinda like the ones you guys use in the Fruit Loop bath. Now cover your face. All right, stop. Go wash your face.
Whoa! How'd you get there?
Easily, 'cause I can go anywhere I want to. Okay, next, I want you to take that spaghetti that Dingle made, bring it to the living room and throw it on her.
Oh! 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 What was that? This was our dinner!
I'm so sorry.
Oh!
I don't...
What is wrong with you?
I don't know what's going on.
Oh!
I don't know what's going on.
What do you mean?
Yeah,
I don't know what's going on? I have
everything's
pasta all
just-
over me!
It's just, everything is so weird right now.
Oh.
I'm doing all these things. I have no
What?
idea what's going on right now.
Oh my god. Oh, I was sleeping and you just come and dump pasta. I have pasta in my ear.
Mommy, are you okay?
Something's wrong with your dad. Come here.
Mommy, what happened to you?
Buddy, I don't even know. Daddy came and threw pasta on me.
Ew, that's so weird.
I know. Your dad is crazy. He threw this all over me. This was supposed to be dinner.
Yes. Can I have some?
Yeah, sure. Ew.
Mommy, ooh, we could go after this so we can go get ice cream.
Cream? What is going on? What the heck? Seriously? Look, I don't know what's going on. You asked me to put these groceries away. I hear weird noises. Last thing I remember is opening up that box of devil dogs, and that's it. And I don't remember anything to go on. And I'm looking at you, you have pasta all over you?
Yeah, you threw it on me.
Jeez. And you're eating. Wow, this is so weird. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. You'd like to fill us in? All right. Let me get this off so we can go get some ice cream.
You think by them saying cream you're gonna get out of it that easy? No way. Now I want you to do next. I want you to go into your kitchen and I want you to take the lemons and juggle them and juggle and juggle till I say stop. Ooh, all right. That's terrible. That's horrible. My 200-year-old grandma can do better than that. Now, for your last one, Uncle Crusher, I want you to go over to that package of devil dogs that you poured all the guys out. Yeah, one of the guys named Jake. Him? He had a lot to say in the box. I want you to go over there and shove him down your mouth so you can never talk again. You hear me?
Which one of you is Jake? Which one of you is Jake? I gotta fix this.
I'm Jake!
Ha! Jake, sorry I had to do this to you. If I don't, my life will never go back to normal.
No!
Hey, are you gonna help? Anthony's gonna take all the devil dogs.
What?
The
I thought I
groceries on the
I
counter?
thought I put them all away already.
No, they're still sitting on the counter.
You would not even believe. I must have fallen asleep before I got up. So there was a devil dog. He's like a little devil-looking devil dog. He came out of the box and he was making me do all this weird stuff. And I couldn't even understand what was going on. You tell me that didn't even happen?
I've been standing here for 5 minutes talking to you.
Oh my gosh, that's so weird.
Alright, enough of the shenanigans. Let's go.
Alright, I'm coming. This is so weird. Alright, you didn't do. Peace out, everybody.